In front of me is DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then click on App Lock and select Open the Inscription at the bottom. Now select one of those options: Digital Password, Pattern Password, or Complex Password. Following that, you need to create it. Hit Continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select Complete. Now just click on gray switches next to your apps that you wish to lock. When you finished, go back. So now when I try to access one of those apps, I can see that my login method is required. If you wish to unblock your apps, go into the same settings, enter your app lock, and click on blue switches next to your apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!